Hey guys, Fix Alex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace MOP sensor or intake manifold pressure sensor on this 2020 Hyundai ELANTRA. There's the tools that we're gonna need: flathead and 10mm. This is the location of the sensor. It's right there. There is 10mm bolt. The long flathead we need to remove that connector because it's gonna be hard. So gently remove that connector, just like that. Oops. It's happened always, and especially with 10mm. Okay, so, and then gently remove that bolt. Do not drop anything. Okay, do not drop anything. And now you can remove your MOP sensor. That's it, guys. Very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next. Like this video, and the part number for this MOP sensor is 39300-2B100. Thank you guys. Bye.